Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast coding step by step. Begin by defining a single project and breaking it into weekly tasks, then pick one language that fits that project. Focus on fundamentals like variables, control flow, and functions before adding frameworks. Schedule short daily practice sessions and review code every weekend. Use small, testable goals and build a simple version quickly to iterate and improve regularly. Solid foundations speed up learning and reduce frustration, so concentrate on one concept at a time and practice it until it feels natural. Write tiny programs that emphasize a single idea, then combine ideas into slightly larger projects. Use breakpoints and console logs to grasp how code executes and get comfortable with reading and fixing errors. Commit code often and document changes so you can track progress and recover quickly from mistakes. Consistency beats intensity, so aim for focused practice sessions of 30 to 60 minutes each day where you solve specific problems or build features. Alternate between learning new concepts and applying them in a project to reinforce retention. Use coding challenges, pair programming, and code review to expose gaps and accelerate growth. Track goals and celebrate small wins to maintain momentum and adjust your plan based on feedback and results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.